Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from India to Canada through Axis Bank. Well, this process is simple. For this, we're going to use Western Union. So here you go to the Western Union website and click on Send Money, which we have here. And here, what we're going to do is look for the country to which we're going to send money, which in this case is Canada. Here we're going to click Continue. And now, here we're going to choose the amount we want to send to Canada, okay? Once the amount is set, here we're going to select the payment method, which in this case is bank account. And here we have the option to pay by bank transfer. From here we can choose the Axis Bank option once we've selected this. You just need to click continue to go through the whole process and fill in all the required information, whether it's for the recipient or your own details. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.